Last vlog I got it all wheeled over here. So today I'm gonna go back over, grab all the frame and everything, drag that over here. Try to find some flat rocks so I can like prop everything up on it so to get it off out of the grass and out of the dirt. That's pretty much my goal for today, get it all done. I only got a few hours though. I got band practice at 3 o'clock and it's probably almost 12 now, so I better get my ass to work. I don't mind putting it down here, but this would be a good spot. I'm just gonna start dragging shit over here. You don't need to watch that. So I was lugging all my shit back and forth along the river. I looked over, and I noticed I got a bunch of turtles out on a log. So I figured I'd take a little break. All right, that's all the turtles I can muster. Let me show you what I've been doing. So I got all my logs that I've been accumulating here over the past few vlogs. My vlog logs. Got the bench. And I got a pile of flat rocks over here that I dragged over. Because there's like absolutely no fucking flat rocks around here except for way the fuck down there where I fucking was working. Closer for one. All right, so I don't need that big of a spot. So that's good. So it looks like I probably got enough rocks to do what I got to do then. The trick is getting this thing fucking somewhat level and getting it stable. So I could probably bring this guy in. So I almost could put it like right down here. I kind of like it there. Kind of get it in the sun, you know, let the sun dry it out. And like how small my actual base is, it might fit fucking snug just like right here. Start with this guy, he'd probably be better. That's like a last resort fucking rock there. Where the fuck you going? Wow, actually sits right on there pretty good. Okay. This side I actually got to finish cutting the fucking notches in. I got to dig out the ground under this one a little bit. Probably in the back there too. Not a big deal. I expected that as much. Other than that, it's not too fucking bad. Alright, so I got to dig this out. I got to cut these fucking notches in here. Let's get that done. Whoa. Did I cut that off? Maybe I did. I can't remember. Yeah, so I marked them out before. I cut the relief cuts on the sides, but I just never got around to knocking out the notches. Beaver's over there getting all jealous and shit. Then, whoa, what's he got? He ain't chewing on that shit. What kind of sorcery is this? You know, beavers are pretty primitive, you know? Oh, god damn it. My whole fucking side just came off. Son of a biscuit. Oh, my back's gonna feel great tonight after band practice. Holy hell. Look at all that shit over here, fucking killed me already. Now I gotta go strap on that Les Paul for fucking 2 hours. Yeah. I'll be fine by tomorrow. Gonna mark where he's going. I'm gonna blunt it on a freaking rock. This back corner needs to go down a little bit more. This should be easy enough to fix. We're almost there, folks. That I kind of don't like. It's a little wobbly. Still looks like that back corner's got to come down. Let's see if it's how level it's looking now. Looking a whole lot nicer than it did. Somehow finagle this side upwards. It's pretty fucking, well, you can really get going on it, but that's not bad. Nothing to it but to do it. Let's get that fucking bench top over here. Layer on top, see what happens. I can almost walk it. Almost. Oh shit. I gotta keep going over. Nice and slow. Motherfucker, huh? I think she's done. First bushcraft bench. Pretty sturdy. Not rocking around or nothing. It's done. I can get back to taking pictures again. Holy shit. Well, the bench is done, as you can see. Oh, thank God. So now I could get back to my other idea, was making the bird blinds. I can't start one project without finishing another, but that's just the way I am. I start getting overwhelmed, and I always finish the project you're working on before you start the next one, no matter how shit it comes out. Well, anyways, yeah, the bench is done. Working great. Doesn't move at all. I mean, I'm fucking jiggling around pretty hard on it, and it's not moving. I fucking think I did a pretty good job, actually. I mean, like I said, the top's not the flattest. It's got a little bit of a woo to it, but what are you gonna do, huh? It's fucking nature. About a half hour before I got a truck out for band practice. Just had a honker flew in. Been getting some good shots of him, her, whatever it is. So I could finally get back to the bird blind idea. I mean, I have a couple ideas I've been kicking around, just making like a little A-frame on, you know, 2 A-frames and a couple cross beams, and just taking all kinds of brush and shit, putting it in the front, leave myself some kind of little window to see out of, you know. I mean, that would be the simplest idea, but then there's the how do you attach it without, you know, unless you wrap it or lash it with paracord. I'm not exactly sure how I want to make those yet. I'm still kicking around ideas. I did pick up, I don't know if I showed you guys this shit, dirty rag. The buck knife. The big boy. Picked up this guy. Picked it up cheap. 13 bucks. It's actually a fucking really good one. It's a Stanley. It's pretty heavy duty. But this makes it so you could ratchet with it too. That's right. You can go one way but not the other. Turn this. Now I could go this way but not the other. Or you gotta put it in the middle and you could just free spin it. You know, if you get it stuck or something maybe. Pretty nice one. It's a Stanley bit brace. And I picked up I got them all wrapped up, but I got a 1-inch bit for it. Oh, it's fucking beautiful out here. A little chilly, but it's nice. Got some good light too, in case we do get anything good. There's like a nice spring light too. It's not that ugly freaking bluish winter light that I can't fucking stand. I hate that shit. Oh yeah, come on. Waiting for these fucking blue jays all goddamn day too. Oh, it's a kingfisher. I was wrong. Yeah, that's what I've been seeing all day. Yeah, he's on the other side of the pond now. Yeah, I thought I was seeing blue jays. Well, maybe I am seeing blue jays. I don't know, but that was just a kingfisher. Yeah, well, unless anything real significant happens in the next 20 fucking minutes here, I think that's going to be about it for me today. Like I said, I got band practice at 3. It's like 2:30 now, so I think that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me I suck. Give me a thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next vlog. Later.